Yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicacy. This is made from rice, like rice pizza. So that's the rice boiling there. I needed to add some salt to taste. I'm feeling like a professional in there. Oh yeah. So you need to let that simmer for a while, and then the chicken is here. I diced the chicken into small cubes so that we can garnish the pizza with that. There you go. This is what you have as a result. And then we need to fry this chicken. Fry it with the oil. Add so many other spices to it for taste. You may even want to add onions. This is bell pepper, and that's Maggi that I'm adding. The bell pepper, I added it at the end of the meal, at the end of the cooking. But I added most of the spices on there. So the curry, the garlic, the onions, every other thing was added on there to cook. So you may want to add any other thing that you feel is you like. For example, you want to add suya spices or whatever spices that you like for your own personal taste. That's the diced bell pepper there, and the rice is ready to be blended. Add this into the blender, and then we'll be needing egg. So just to let you know, that was 4 cups of rice and was divided into 2. So now we've got 2 in the blender, 2 cups of rice in the blender, and we're gonna add 3 eggs in there. And these little ones have been helpful. They were adding so much fun to the cooking. You need to add a bit of water in there so that the blender can work well. There's this thing about placing hand on the blenders. I don't know who else does that. If you do that, comment below. So you get a paste like this. Becomes a little bit yellowish. You may want to stir it properly so that the eggs will go around for the cooking purpose when it's in the oven. The chicken is all done now, all ready. Add some little bit of veggies on there, carrots, peas, and also you need to add your tomato paste. For that, you may also want to add your Maggi. Preheat the oven for some time, say for about 3 minutes at 220 degrees centigrade, and then you add the paste rice onto the pan. First, you need to lay the pan, the foil with oil so that the pizza can come off easily. Well, this is looking good already. So after that, you add all the rice paste into the pan, and also you need to add oil to the top of the pan or the top of the rice. There you go. So after that, you need to flatten it up so that it can spread uniformly. Add oil, like I mentioned, add oil to the surface. So this can make it cook well. So well, this is not exactly pizza, but it's like pizza made from rice. So the procedure is not exactly like that. So this is what you have in there, and this goes into the oven. So you leave it in the oven for some minutes until it's cooked. Look at it cooking. It's going to rise because of the egg in it. It's going to rise some more. And there you go, until you have something like golden color. Like it's all cooked now and solid. You may want to check it from time to time by dipping in your fork so that you can be sure to be sure that the meal is actually cooked and solid. At this point in time, we need to add the chicken and any other things that will be going on the pizza. After this, I added the cheese, and also the young man came around The diced bell pepper goes in there on top. What I did here is after the diced pepper has been added, sorry, the bell pepper has been added to it. I didn't look at it. I needed to add cheese on top of it again so that we can actually seal that diced bell pepper on there. I like the effect better that way. And there you go. Goes back into the oven for some minutes again so that it can all cook. Ready, chef is here. And this is what we have. Looking all good already. Just look at it. All set, stomach ready. Who wants? Yum 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 yum. Some shoes. Looking all good already. Of course, what's content without a picture like this? So this is it looking all sumptuous and rich. You may also want to add the pepperoni if you would like. Those of you like pepperoni and maybe any other protein that you like on there. And that's it. So ready to be served. Let me know if you want to try this in the comment section or wherever you're watching from. Just drop a message and let me see if you want to make it in any other style apart from this. It's up to you, entirely up to you. At the end of the day, you're gonna have something sweet. That's it. Add a little bit of ketchup on it. I can't wait to have the first bite. Yeah, picture. Wow, look at it, all golden and crusty. Yeah, let me know what you feel in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Yeah. Oh, yeah. C'è il video quello. Eh? Eh? E il video quello. Quello da... Dove è il video qua? Yeah? Content creator. Imagine such. This is me adding salt. Hello, mo ń gbọ́ yín.